few months ago, I went on a family vacation to the Philippines. I took this gimbal with me. This thing is really impressive. It really helped for getting a lot smoother footage. It just made filming more fun. And honestly, it forced me to film a lot more, which I really like for family vacations, because sometimes you just whip out your phone, you film something really quick. It's not really that great. But when you have a gimbal like this, you're more intentional about what you film, so you get better and more footage. What I like so much about this gimbal is just how much it can do. This thing has an impressive amount of features. So you've got this joystick here. So if you want to move it manually for ultra smooth footage, this is how you do it. It does come with this tripod, so you can set it down, you can have it track you, you can use the software and do a lot of really cool things with the software. Another really nice thing about this is right now I'm in landscape mode, but if I want to switch over to portrait mode, I can just switch it over to portrait mode. Then I've got it in portrait mode. I can go back to landscape, easy as can be. You've got the mode button here, so you can easily switch different modes. So depending on how you want to film, you can just quickly set the mode. If you want to reset, you just double tap this and it resets it back to its home position so that you know that you're always perfectly level. If you want to switch things up and do a selfie shot, you just tap it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then it will switch around and you can do like selfie mode or whatever, or switch the modes, 1, 2, 3, go back. Another really unique thing about this is, yes, it does have a light, and you just tap and hold, it will turn on the light. So now if I want to film myself, I've got this extra light shining on my face to make sure I get the best footage I possibly can. And I can move this to change the brightness. I can also change the temperature or color with this as well. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I've been using it for a few months now. By far, the thing I like most about this is just how powerful and how many features this has. I've used several gimbals for the phone. None can do as much as this can. That being said, one of the things I don't like about it is because it can do so much, it's kind of hard to remember how to do all the functions. You got this button, this rocker, this button, this tracker, record button, mode button, on off button. You have so many buttons. It is a higher learning curve than most gimbals. You do want to spend some time learning how to use this and getting familiar with all the features. Once you get past that hurdle, this is probably going to be the best gimbal you use for a smartphone.